Once you activate Google Apps Mail for your domain name, you can immediately start using that email with your iPhone or iPad, so you can easily stay in contact with everyone you know. How can you do that? It just takes a few steps. Find the Settings app. Then scroll until you happen upon the Mail, Contacts, and Calendars section. Then choose the Add Account option and select Google from the list of those accounts. Fill out the descriptive information about this account. Put any name that you want, followed by your email address and the password you created for that email address. Then give it a description for your own reference, and move on to Next. Now choose the Google Apps services you'd like to use with your phone. Mail is obviously the most important at this point. You can also sync your Google Calendar with your phone's calendar, share contacts from your phone with your Mail account, and vice versa, and connect any notes you create with the iPhone's Note app so that they show up in your email account. Turn off anything you don't want to use, as you can always come back to settings later and turn them right back on. Now press the Save option, and you're all done. You can now send and receive email from your iPhone or iPad's Mail app. And that's how you do that.